What's the meaning of concession? Concession. Concession.
Concession. Concession. A concession is a compromise or agreement made in response to a demand or request. It involves giving up something in order to reach a mutually beneficial outcome. For example, in negotiation, a concession might involve offering a lower price or accepting less favorable terms to close a deal. Concessions can also refer to physical locations such as a concession stand, where goods or services are sold at an event or public space. Overall, concessions are a way to find common ground and reach a satisfactory resolution between parties with different goals or interests.